Got this little repair. This guy busted the whatchamacallit on his fork, but it's one of these different types of forks that aren't very common over here. So I found this other one, used the pipe cutter and took this off there, took this off here, found a little pipe that'll fit just inside, beveled the edges. I'll throw this on here, and now I'm going to weld that up. There, I've just done a simple one-pass weld. I'll clean it up a little bit. There we go. Not the prettiest, but you're never going to see this, and I think it's strong enough. Off it goes to the customer.